I don't know anybody minimum
but
what I am saying is that they are Ghanaian owned companies. To say the Yura, Krora, Santimaura, a car say, young building yan dear. What you say? Young building yan dear, a bit more fear say. Your contract move because you per se, you signed the box site, at my EMP, engineers and planners.
Really?
Yes.
Well, what you can say, I'm person Ankasa.
Neighbor, hi, Your Excellency, Your Excellency, Mr. President, Bia. Now, you have vet your mind because you have a busy schedule, you have been going and coming. People are talking. Your Excellency, people are talking. Say, now, black voter, you want to
EMP.
That's it.
100%.
Damai, Tagwa. When for no, and the people feel if. Say yes, I add box site not to train say we said way near the box site never more. It doesn't augur well. And the media are pay the American quack and it say there are companies in
Abusia for me mamu nyina mo akwaba edibaga na nsem TV so. But mo de so be like video na be subscribe to the channel na turn on notifications say be next time videos of this nature ba osonsa ebitima kabi na so watch the wadwen or comment section wasa say the munim ne femi Mr. President na me wasa me besom na if by chance de me e ofe na person boan which are through number na wase no adaroma in sabeka na news today so ya nyina akoso ni beso pa so now another day I came across a video and I'm watching on social media. And it took me barely 4 hours to watch the video over and over again. Now, me share video no. I decided me for free. Me say politicians are disappointed Ghana mabunu. They be me say when you earn the goodwill of the people and you fail to acknowledge the fact that you've won the goodwill of the people, as a result of that, you have to be so much principled with it, they will rebel at the right time. In Kadia Nebe, I will say, youth of it, like youth or mind bimu, I don't more rebel politicians, not of a sudden, their wishes and their demands or the thing that they dream that they come to reality are only things of disasters.
I don't know anybody minimum but what I am saying is that they are Ghanaian owned companies. To say the Yura, Krora, Santimaura, a car say, young building yan dear. What you say? Young building yan dear, a bit more fear say. Your contract move because you per se, you signed the box site, at my EMP, engineers and planners.
Really?
Yes.
Well, what you can say, I'm person Ankasa.
Neighbor, hi, Your Excellency, Your Excellency, Mr. President, Bia. Now, you have vet your mind because you have a busy schedule, you have been going and coming. People are talking. Your Excellency, people are talking. Say, now, black voter, you want to
EMP.
That's it.
100%.
Damai, Tagwa. When for no, and the people feel if say yes, I add box site not to train say we said way near the box site never more. It doesn't augur well. And the media are not pay the American quack and it say there are companies in Ghana here. When it comes to mining of our bauxite, they can. Almost expertise, they can do it. They are doing it in other African countries. And you can see a tenancy now. Quite say, yeah, Chichira, Diana, say, Bakufo, except, and it's not me bought a year ring of too much young can see you. Edema guidance, boss. You know my love for you. You know me, dog me woman. I've never met you in my entire life, but the love, the respect that I have for you. I hear na me te. Nipa bi no sorry tia wo e wo nhihye pa na wo de ba no ho no. And I fought for you. Say, Miss Row. If there's something going on in your office because there me tia me tete no. Nipa bi no wo ya mama tia say
na yentu ye bo asene ye ne nka pepepe sa pani no e corrupt. Eti yi akodan ka say si ho no. economic and organized crime office. They themselves are organized in crime. Wufia no so na waba attorney general so. Me attorney general bi andida na akwa we oye Mahama attorney general we. Akwa fa say. Dominica ni minjini ndi ba ko. Onu je minjini ndi che attorney general bia. Sa sabda John Dramani Mahama catch say, oh, oral operation recover all loot. It is just oral. Me man to aba Mahama so nkoye go mo techman kwan home. It's the very first day of share here was Movenpick. It was not Movenpick. Kempinski, right? Yes, it was Kempinski. Me kwaya me ko bisa ne kwasa no. Me mbisa ne kwasa. Eba so be bridge. Obeye kwan. Obesi school dan. Me bisa ne say, wo awie ye nsika no oba dan no obeye. Me mo video no nkyira wo kwahwe Mahama answer. Aban na di afi president call parliament. State of the Nation's address. Or see the wheels of the Lord grind slowly. Massa. Hey, massa. Slow, bear. You told the entire country you arrest Nanabi. Must it take you 1 year as a president? John. Obian Shawo. Nobody pushed you. No, you were not forced. You were not under duress. You freely, out of personal evolution and conviction, you pronounced that Nana B, anyone where Kahono, Yabechi Woina. John, what do you think? What are you investigating about one single person? Are they on assassinating Prof. Samuels? Are they Wakum Prof. Samuels? And Nana B Nekum Rollins? Why did you say that? For an opposition leader to make that emphatic statement, it means that there is a document, there is something unsurmountable that can lead to the arrest of Nana B. NDC force slow the fight against corruption. Make somewhere emphatically, without any apologies or fear. NDC slow so betchini patum. Enti pato falest lebre from we na bra. From we na dabi bakumi by obi edim by akwa na set up in George next hono. On that nifa hano. Sa kwa we the year Yoko boss. Mahama appointed Yoko. Why? Because okan oral. Martin Pebu obese fugu abe set up in Joe. Abetre TV3, Abedranum, or a part of oral. And Saturday, he was trying to defend because he's a lawyer. Martin, it is wrong. Master, your integrity is on the line. If you don't know, I am telling you, Martin Pebu, the energy and the alacrity you used to fight and talk, you have reduced it. What is stopping you, Martin? And I will say from Samuel Okuje to Ablakwa. He forced his way through to become the foreign affairs minister. If you don't know, I'm telling you. The man be osompe. Foreign affairs in Kwan osompe. Why? Because our document say where the Sika Kotoha, where the Sika Uraha, where the Sika Frigana de Kwaha. After he became the foreign affairs minister, when was the last time you heard him talk about oral? And this for slow corruption fight. Double level. Saturday, he spelled and spilled his frustration. The Ayami one passer. Kofi Buache, DCOP Kofi Buache, we are part of ORA. And to work as are you a happy man? Says so then director of operations at Jubilee House. Are you operating the Jubilee House? John, what the 1 year? But I want to tell you, make catch us about where they are fair, the minimum we this system much a year to where they are fair. And this is for slow. Some betchini patum. Eti akwa we o space o tetu ho yi sare mo na acha no na John Mahama koja parliament akacha yen say wajiji 600 million obo 600 million. They should publish the document. When we publish the document I say you wajiji 600 million because Peter Abraham who catch him say when you 500 million Chesa would you say if you ho would you say if Abraham ho would you say if you achu ho would you say if you captain ho would you say if you Smith ho and now okay come home and now when you 600 million they should publish it. How did you get the money? Because they Sabaria Sika now only me kasa na oji sika film on wu jam ya Chesa also ye comfort. So it was John Mahama telling us also ye read. What kind of baby thinking is this? What kind of baby thinking is this? So you kwajiji 600 million. You kwaje was it through the court? And Attorney General negotiation. And I you ko ni akromfo ne kotena ase. Ya ye hu sa we ya wi. Ba ye
comes with government sponsored bill no or the ba come here to me aboano near passing in tentem na the okaye no Ghana for to me agina di wo until then no ye mu bi ye be so apale pressure for Prez.Mahama to set his priorities right. Yeah, man, Sabia, and for Ghana for Adrian Niagara. You will be, we have been consistent and we will be until the bill is passed.
Peace FM. I said, Young to Obama John Mahama will be creating Numa 3 million job. Ebi bakwa adwuma no pa wiye numere. Ebi bedua nua bi bɛyɛ nkokɔ bi bɛma agyata aduane ɛwɔ nwuram. Wo wiye ya wafa kwati kwan akoto police forms, migration officer, fire service. O pa ban adwuma yɛ. Me kwaku yɛbo a me nia ma apa ɛna ɔwo mampani kofo ɔno mom ɛna nkɔma agyata aduane ni. Na wo ɛbɛfa wo free ghetto hɔ Nzongo street hɔ no. Wo koya aban adwuma nya sa. Na nkwada na eti East Legon no sa nkwada no mom na nkoma jata aduane eto da na ye kasa sabi yen mabunu yensua nyansa yensua nyansa motida munti bi da enipo no betwa teacher and nursing training for alawem backpack na ebinum wie won service ya etime GB eton sase ehan ya dan dwomama ba e sa backpack wo twem embago brofo e friend embago enipa wonu ba be creative brofo embago krom ha dwomama se obi be wie suku ni yemfa no aban adwumam dwomama nipa onu ba be gu ankrankra adwuma true dum so wona na ewonu private company oba be gu no dwomama ka kire mu mabu no asabi yanyi mutirimu adwene ento ya ni mu se oba be kreti nyuma 3 million na mu nam kroi mu ye dede tuatua ya soboa mabunu makot na classroom e binum ya akrachefo sa nipa wenum eye jandam krom ha na mu matim hu gumontene ba omi asa monto aba mame minam true IT so mema mo ya adefo krom ha titiru no mu o mawie university mo se dabi nipa so a wawe kura ayi koto achi pen kaso obawe kura ya nyina chinye yanim ni ya bawomia nam digitalization so ma ya nya ne so wo man na mfa so a Ghana da so e benefit from bawomia ni nimdie ni nyansa no se dabi NDC for farm na jandam kuroi mu yededa to the sense mu tu MPP aban etuguye mu atru mu di kire akuafo ena mu nkurasefo nkora na koto forms mu pe fire service migration police akọ na nkwada na egu kuromu East Legon fo nkwada na ye hunwura da no mu akongura makoma agata aduane mu adwene ye adwuma ha NDC mabunu mi busamo mu adwene pa damu tirimu no eye adwuma no buafu na mu mabunu amokoto abama NDC aban mu duru 3 million mu buafu Joma eba so wankaso obefa mu police ni soje 24-hour economy mu be yen kokko aduanua ama nyata aduane wo nwuram mu be run shift eno no wokaye akufu ado ba 2016 ne policy no waso oba na nkwade wo krom ha akosuku kwa eno na abatan ejina so de to abama MPP aban yatisika so ekomode yen eyampa so akufu ado ba ye no otua Ghana kwada bia school fees ni ena ye awofo responsibility se omoye obageto ne ho so ema sa batan no esika kan botom eno ni sika wode be hye botom yatikro we mumusimu nsua nyansa ana gbangban ni no mo asesa mfidie agu ka mu eko float eye dede krom ha mi ameka ye ka obi a orane ayi coastal NDC for ko float udi musai obi a wo ye coastal udi musai babunu a wawie school pa adwuma na party we ye jandam na mudim anesefo na mudim enema huma wie ye yakoto police forms ya amfa yen na we soja ni police ni adwuma Mahama udi Mahama ho adanse ye so de bre krom hafo mum ye nyansafo Bible say ye ne nyansafo mo na ye hunu nyansa kuroi aduru bre wose ye hunu nyansa ene wo kukutua so ya mfa wo soja police wo ya mfa wo batiri mu duruduru wo ya mfa wo soja ni police na hwan na enkodu enua hwan na enkwa na mawia so enua hwan na nnama minister no MP no DC no ba enkodu enua ho sa 5000 ayi na ayaye no DC no ba enkodu enua minister no ba enkodu enua koko board fo no ye ma enkodu enua na wo no